Hello, everybody, and welcome into Sunday, September 7th, 2025. If we want to get specific, it just turned 3:56:03 on the timer, which is going to be important here in just a moment. I'm here with the Zoom homies, William Dawson Rich, myself, Matthew Barnes, and Greg Grumpy Guy. We discovered something earlier today in that if you download a video and in your system, where the hell did that go? If in your system it's titled E7B749 blah 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 dot JPEG 2, you upload it to Zoom, people download it to Zoom, and it's going to be image date 2025-06. Now this is important to remember. 2025 June 1:34 or 1:23 in the afternoon. Oh no, June. Year, month, time, or no, year, month, date. So this is June 13th at almost midnight, 23:44 hours. So we're going to remember that. We're going to bring that back in just a minute. We're going to bring chat back up. Hopefully, yeah, look at that. Good deal. So I'm going to download this now. Before I download it, I'm going to show you my downloads and show you what I've determined, and with the help of the Zoom homies, they have basically determined it as well. And we're going to go into this is going to go straight to Bill's AI, and then we're going to move this out of the way. Now, the first thing that I suspected was this was the time. The last two digits threw me off, and in determining what that is, what I download this right here from Rich, it's going to go between this picture and this video. Currently the time is 3:58:12. I'm going to put it in Bill's AI, and the time is now 3:58:25. There it is. As predicted, it would be here and here. But look at the thing. Look at the, oh, I can't zoom that. Look at the title that Zoom gave this. It gave it image 2025-09-07-1558, which is 3:58 military time, and 16. When I clicked on it to download, it was on the 14th second. Interesting. Bill, what say you?
Yeah, different. I never noticed that they were typing by your system, not by what it was put up.
Right, not by the image name that you uploaded. Zoom at your end converts it to that. Most of us have already verified that because we were sending the same pictures back and forth 2 and 3 and 4 times just to see. Well, what did it take? 6 pictures to figure that out. And then we discovered another way, another one that it's not even close. Not even close at all. Oh, I know what it was. I remember now. I figured Grumpy would chime in on that and say, about time. So, how I discovered this was earlier today, Bill sent me these pictures right here. There were 5 of them. Well, I got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 of 5. Or did I? I got 1, 2, 3 of the same picture, which by the way has a different number. 25:09:07, the time, and the last 2 digits are always different because it's the seconds, I do believe. And then these 2 are identical. Actually, yeah, these 2 are identical. What we couldn't figure out, and what I still haven't figured out, was so there's the first one that I downloaded, which is the same as this one. There's the second one that I downloaded, which is not showing up. This image is not showing up anywhere because it should be the same as this with the blue background and the guy in the middle. So let's download this image. Now it's going to go down here. Right there it is. So now we have this one, we have this one, we have this one. That appears to be that one right there. Then we have this one, which appears to be that one right there. And now we have, it looks like we have them all. Why it did that one twice, I don't know. So now we are good, because if we come down here, this is the one I didn't have. What do you think the chances of me moving it to be grouped with all these are?
It's behaving like it wants to do what it wants to do.
Right, but if I grab this and I want to actually physically move it somewhere, can I do that?
You would think
I want to group it in this group right here. So I'm going to see if I can drop that right there. I can't. I can't. I think if I renamed them, I could. But I think with the raw data that's there, and it makes sense. This 1601, it's past 4 already. Yeah, it's 4:02. So the time is, it's based off the time. So 2:30 is before 4:02 in military time. 1438 and 1602. So that makes sense. Now, how long have we been doing this and what have we accomplished? We're a little over 6 minutes. I will edit this out. Do you guys have anything you want to add, or do you have anything you want to demonstrate, or do you have any thoughts on what's going on? Please, 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 everybody, raise your hand. I can call on you one at a time. I can't understand anything when everybody's talking at one time. Welcome back, Greg.
It's almost as Windows decided. It's almost as Windows decided it's going to auto-organize everything the way it wants.
Is it Windows or is it Zoom? Well, that would be my only question. Because if it,
there's one way to find out.
Well, I think we've already figured it out. But go ahead and
send you sending an email.
Okay, by all means, send something in email. Send a picture you've already sent an email. Now hold on, I got to put my thinking cap on because this is going to require no thinking cap today. Good point, Bill. Send it by okay, so if you send it an email and it doesn't change, then it's a Zoom function. If you send it an email and it does change, then it's going to be a Windows function. That makes a little bit of sense. We'll find out in a minute or two. Coming up on 10 minutes, which is fine. I mean, everything's editable. I can edit things. Which, by the way, Greg, there's going to be a guy joining us tonight. And as soon as he does, I'm going to make a breakout room because he wants to learn DaVinci. Or, well, actually, I think he wants a demonstration of DaVinci so he can figure out what editing program he wants. Which is another question I want to bring up tonight while we're live is, if you were a newbie just starting out, oh, I'm over here. If you were a newbie just starting out with video editing programs, DaVinci, Sony Vegas Pro, CapCut, I think it's CapCut, what is it? Anyway, Wondershare, Filmora, Power Director, that's the ones that come to mind. What would you suggest to someone just, and trust me, if he says, well, I would like to learn this, I'll go get it and I'll learn it at the same time. But I'm at a slight advantage because I've been doing this for a long time now. All right, Bill just sent me. Yeah, I see it. I just got to figure out which email it's on.
2016.
Yeah, that's the first one I always check. Okay, so it's actually identifying the picture of IQLC2. Is that what? Is this number what your number shows?
Yeah, that's what was created from Night Cafe.
All right, so I'm going to download it. That's the same at three guys, one looking at two or two looking at one. We'll download this and we're going to put this in, not my YouTube music, not my bill file, believe it or not. Because, well, maybe I should put it in there in my bill file because that's where the other ones are at. And now we're getting, so this is saying it's going to download it as IQL to whatever JPEG. Good enough. Should be easily recognized. Save. We'll go bring up downloads. Bring up Bill's AI. Make it full screen. Where do we suspect that's going to be? Well, if it's alphabetical, it would have been right in here. Let's keep going down. Image.
Right there, just before the last cone, the bottom.
Yeah, which it shouldn't be. It should have been right there. But I think we've determined it's a Zoom thing because look at the name of this file. IQC2F8SWJJ. It's the original. It's the same as the email, which is right there. So I think we've actually determined what is going on, and that this is a Zoom function that it changes your files from the original name. Now, Bill, if you would please humor me. Okay, how's this? Here's a joke for you. Yeah, you guys are tough. Tough crowd. Tough crowd. Please download, please put that same exact picture right here in chat.
Okay.
Greg, you're pretty knowledgeable. I know you use a different editing program. What you do? What do you use? Camera's over here.
I don't use jack shit.
Greg, we both know that's a lie because you've done stuff in the military. You've done stuff and showed me. Do you use Paint? I guess that could be considered a video editor.
Yeah, sometimes.
GIMP?
No.
I'll cut this part out of the video, but I've actually thought about looking into GIMP based off the fact that it's apparently easier to do certain things I want to do in DaVinci that I can't do. But
It's in the chat.
mum's the word. What's that, mum?
The word.
Got it uploaded yet?
It's in chat.
Well, I got my chat right here and I don't see it.
Right there.
Oh,
The very
right there,
bottom.
408. All right, so if we click on this, it's just, oh, this is a different one. Look at that. That changed the number.
Yeah.
All right, so we all see it's got a different number when it gets to Zoom already. Already it's off where it should not be. It should be the same exact number as what's on Bill's computer. That's fine. Let's download this, and we all know where it's going to go. It's going to go to Bill's download right there, and we're going to go ahead and see. Can I do this live? Well, recorded live. What are the chances? I want to minimize. Well, I'm not. Oh, I hate things sometimes. So we're going to go here. We're going to go downloads. We're going to go Bill's AI. We're going to make that full screen. We're going to go back to this. We're going to download it here. I'm going to move that out of the way because I want to see where this shows up. And my feelings is it's going to show up either right before this one or right after this one. So here we go, downloading it now. And of course, I was wrong. It didn't even go nowhere near where I thought it. I thought it might go there. I thought it might go in front of this one. I thought it might go behind this one. Oh, hell no. Zoom is listening. They go, we'll show him. So let's go look at it.
Well, my cabinet doors are in Middletown, PA.
Are they coming from like Japan?
Oh, Arizona.
Are they on someone's bicycle? I mean, you've been waiting on them things a week. 25
Yeah.
September, the year 2025, September 7th, 1610. I got 411, and it was the 9th second. So I think this is definitive proof. Of course, there will be those that will say it's not, and I'll question them on that, and I'll say, show me what you think. Anyway, thank you guys. Let's go ahead and get completely out of this. Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Rich. Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Matthew, for being here.
If you send an email and it doesn't change,
It didn't.
it's not Microsoft.
Right. It's not Windows. I agree. I like your thought. I like your idea that it possibly could be Windows. And I'm sure we all know people that are going to say, oh, it's Windows. It's Windows. We just proved it's not. It appears to be a Zoom function. I'm not a tech. I don't do a lot of research. I just think things through logically. If I do something and this is consistently doing this, we change the way and it doesn't do it, the problem lies here or the issue lies there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're at are we at 16 minutes? Golly, gee, Moses. All right. Thank you guys. I'm going to stop sharing. Well, actually, I'm going to stop recording.